engines were glad when a visitor came. He purred smoothly towards them. Sir Topham Hatt introduced him. "Here is Diesel. I have agreed to give him a trial. He needs to learn. Please teach him, Duck." "Good morning," purred Diesel in an oily voice. "Pleased to meet you, Duck. Is that James and Henry and Gordon, too? I am delighted to meet such famous engines." The silly engines were flattered. "He has very good manners," they murmured. "We're pleased to have him in our yard." Duck had his doubts. "Come on," he said. Diesel purred after him. "Your worthy Sir Topham Hatt to you," ordered Duck. Diesel looked hurt. "Your worthy Sir Topham Hatt thinks I need to learn. He is mistaken. We Diesels don't need to learn. We know everything. We come to a yard and improve it. We are revolutionary." "Oh," said Duck, "if you're Rev-a-thingamy, perhaps you would collect my cars while I fetch Gordon's coaches." Diesel, delighted to show off, purred away.